Hi everybody, for those who don't know me, I'm Emma and I'm the artist behind Unsteady Art. So today is going to be an extremely fast video. I'm literally doing it today and then getting it straight up. The holiday, I enjoyed every moment of it. Every moment of it. There was times where we finally got the internet up, so Starlink's now fully up and running, which means that I can actually stream there. But just as much as it is today, it's that warm. Other than streaming online, which I wanted to play my games, I didn't get much done. But I did do a lot of work behind the scenes. So if I show you what's on the screen here, let me get up to it. That's the one. Zoom it in a bit. So if you can see, my icon is flashing like crazy. There's been a few issues that I've had with the system. My keyboard every so often just keeps pressing escape. Sorry, print screen, don't matter. I don't know what it's doing. At the moment, it's flashing like crazy, which means that everything is taking a lot longer than what it should. So that is another reason why I've not been doing as much. So what you see in front of you, I have now completely redone the koi. So all of the scales have been put in with the fins and things like that to give it a little bit more of a difference. I've done it where it's one line stitch. I don't even know why I'm bothering clicking at the moment. Then a fill stitch, but that's then turned into satin, which these are all fill and then satin stitches. I've changed the direction of the I'll spit out. I've changed the direction of how it stitches throughout. So that's how you've kind of, instead of it just being like one flat line, I've done it so it kind of does form, which is why I've got that sort of angle to the scales. I've then done walking stitch, and I'm going to press the button and leave it for 5 seconds as it does. It's literally been walking, 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 all in one go, all very quite nice and tidy and impact. I have to admit there is points where I went a little bit overboard, where it just looked like a blanket. It just looked like it was silk because there was too much. So you can see how many points there is within that. And separated the face of the koi off as well, so you've got the bit going up as well as the bit going to the side. When it comes to the back, I have started to do that, but I physically can't do it while it's doing the clicking on and off. It just takes too long to wait for it. So the Torigate is quite there. We've gone for this one. One of those fish is called Kohaku, and the other is Tanko. And he's wanting the other one, which is an orange fish, which is called Utsuri. And that is going on the back. So I'm generally going to be changing those because the fishes have been taking over a day to do, and it's just with the individual ones. Now don't get me wrong, it's definitely not a solid day, but it's where I've been comfortable, where I can still go out, I can still get back in. With what I've got, heat really doesn't agree with me, so it just makes me go haywire. Those who didn't know, I've got multiple sclerosis, and heat intolerance is definitely a thing. It just makes it so my wording, everything kind of just goes to pot. So I've been doing it while I've been comfortable, been going out, taking breaks, and then literally going home, cooling off, then trying to do these. I have managed to stream on the other channel, which is Little Pixie Games. That's been generally all right, but that has been on the evening when everything's kind of settled down. As you can see, it's flickering all over. Right, so let me get this on the system, and then we'll get on with it. So all of the settings being put on. Every time I try to put the colours in, I don't know why it was kicking me out. Probably to do with the issues that I've been having. So I've inputted all 21 colour changes, and that's only because I needed to keep both fish separate so that I can copy paste to go on to the next one, so at least I don't have to do as much there. I just need to change the colours around a bit. I have already hooped this. I am trying to do it where I'm not as warm. So moving all the cameras around, changing them all over, that is going to, it is going to make me too warm. So I'm going to let you watch on the screen, and then we'll go from there. So let's go. Welcome back, everybody. So everything stitched out better than what I thought. There's only the lips that I need to kind of push back in a bit further, or maybe the head to stretch out. Not quite sure which yet. I've also managed to finish the back to a certain degree. There's still a bit of detailing, but it's enough where I can at least know that I'm on the right track. So this is the other one. So I'm purposely going to wiggle it around a little bit. I'm just kind of hoping that it might click on some of the shine that you get out of it, but unfortunately it is warm, muggy, and I've got the curtains closed just to be able to try and keep the cool air in. So yeah, hopefully I'll get a bit more information on that. And other than that, if you did like this, please like, subscribe, comment. Love to hear what you're thinking, and hopefully I'll be with you a little bit longer next week. Bye.